Bon, la tempête de neige a commencé. On prune des cerises. Ça frette. It's in the minus. We're pruning cherry. Okay, I'm gonna put it there. Don't want the snow to go in. Je veux pas que la neige embarque dedans. I got a baseball cap on it, so. Oops, sorry. Trying to get it to hold a few minutes anyway. Okay, that should be okay. I don't know if this... Ah, oui, c'est correct. OK, je vais aller faire ça. La tempête de neige a commencé. calotte de Montréal, elle n'a pas resté là. My Montreal Canadian hat didn't stay there in the wind. So that's what it is pretty much. Bon, ben la tempête a commencé. Snowstorm start. So, fait que quand on le prune, quand on commence à pruner, ça a l'air de ça. When we start pruning, that's what they look like. There's too many branches. Those that you see, those are fruit. There's leaf across it, but there's fruit. Les petites buds que j'ai montrées, ben là, il y a des feuilles puis des fruits. So we gotta try to take some fruit out, but we gotta keep some. If there's too many fruit, they won't get the size, they won't get big. And if there are too many branches, s'il y a pas assez s'il y a trop de fruits, ils vont être petits, puis s'il y a trop de branches, ça peut pourrir, puis ça va être petit aussi parce que ça va faire pousser du bois. And if there's too many branches, you leave too many branches, then you're going to grow wood. And we're not growing wood, we're growing cherry. So that's what it is before we cut it. I'm going a little bit fast because my hands are starting to get cold. Je vais un petit peu vite parce que là mes mains commencent à être frettes, là, la petite tempête de neige. Little snowstorm, sorry. Okay, and when after we pass it, me, I got the chipmunk. Moi j'ai le petit Suisse. Chipmunk. Suisse. Ça c'est 1980 something. And that's the kangaroo. It's a different one. Mine is diesel, this one is gas. See? And that's when we pruned it, after we pruned it. You can see all the buds. Vous voir toutes les bourgeons. Okay, the snow's starting to get in the lands. And okay, my hands are frozen. Mes mains sont en train de geler, puis la neige rentre. Okay, so that's what it looked like when we pruned it after we finished.